Welcome everyone. Have I got pleasant news for you today? It is time to harvest my zucchini, and I'll be honest with you, it's been a struggle this year. We dealt with a bit of a drought in this part of Europe where I'm currently residing, and I actually watered my entire garden, which is, I might modestly say pretty big. A bit overgrown with horseradish, you'll forgive me. But recently it has rained as well, so in the end, the harvest is prevailing and it is time to pick our zucchini. So I've already got two beautiful examples of ready to go zucchini in my basket here, of which we will actually bread and fry. Put maybe a little bit of mushroom sauce, maybe a little bit of tomato sauce on it. When it comes time to harvest your zucchini, you're met with a predicament because actually there can be quite a lot of this delicious vegetable, more than is even possible for consumption. So beyond pancakes, salads, and soups, you can also marinate this and pickle it in jars to keep for the winter months, which is, not quite as tasty and healthy, but it's a different spin on the vegetable for sure. So let me show you what I am dealing with here. Now this year we didn't plant a lot of zucchini. We've got zucchini here. We've got our watermelons just starting to come in. I'll also do a harvest video on that in the future if you would like. And a third plant here. But starting with this third plant, the first signs of a pending harvest, of course, is the zucchini flower, which you can also eat. I've consumed that in soup, salad. It's it's specific. Not everyone likes it, but it's worth trying now and again. When the flower finishes blossoming, I should say, the actual zucchini plant starts to form. And the interesting thing is that despite the zucchini coming to be such a grand size, right? It starts off about the size of a cucumber. And you would think that the transformation from a small cucumber size to, the whole big zucchini, this one will actually grow larger, would take weeks. But it can happen in a mere matter of days, depending on the weather conditions, of course. So the general rule here is that you can pick the smaller zucchini, and people often do because they're renowned for their extraordinarily sweet taste. But to realize the quantity potential of this vegetable, it's better to wait until the plant grows out to be about longer than your hand. But even so, I am going to let this one be for about one more day, and then I'm going to harvest it. You see, the thing is, you don't want the zucchini to become overly ripe. The larger they are, the less intense the flavor has a tendency to be. So you do want to pick while the picking is good. You'll also notice that there's kind of a mildewy looking substance, kind of a residue on these leaves. That's nothing to be concerned about. That's actually very common and to be expected. So look at this, yes. Certainly passes the hand test. It's not the most impressive zucchini for girth, but it is going to certainly be enough for a nice salad. Now you'll notice I'm just cutting right in at the stem there. You don't twist, you don't pull, because you do not want to damage the plant. And guys, there we have it. I will be eating some delicious zucchini today. And you can let me know in the comment section below what you like to make with zucchini, because actually, as I said, we only have a few ideas and far more of a harvest than the ideas in which we use to cook the harvest, if that makes any sense. So definitely give me your recipe ideas for the zucchini, any best practices that you've come across, and hit that subscribe button to Great Gardening, and I'll come back maybe show you my watermelons when they grow.